Well, I'm in a 2014 Subaru CT, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure vehicle's on, which this is, and then make sure this is all powered up. But from here, we'll do menu, and then here's all your various options you can scroll through. And there's a limited number of devices you can have stored, so you might need to delete a phone first before you can add a new one. So I'll show you how to delete one. So delete audio, we'll do that, and select that. Then here you can scroll through the options and then confirm or deny which one you want to delete. So we're going to confirm we deleted that one. Now we can pair a new one since we made room for one, so we'll hit pair, and then it's showing the name that we're going to look for, so make sure your Bluetooth is on, and then make sure you're in the pairing menu. And sometimes this takes a few minutes for something to pop up. I might need to restart your phone, restart the vehicle a few times for this to work, but you should see it pop up here. It says there, oh, there it popped up. And then it says here 3131, in this case is the code. So 3131. And now it says we're connected. So now it's connected, you should be able to listen to music, take phone calls. If you're in a newer model, you might be able to sync up maps and things as well. And if you're having issues getting to the music, sometimes these aux buttons can take you there. So it took us to the Bluetooth. So then with your music playing on your phone, make sure the volume is on your phone, as well as the volume on the vehicle. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a great day.